Are you as hyped about Black Myth, Wukong as I am? This game looks incredible. But let's face it, dropping $100 on a deluxe edition isn't ideal. That's why I'm here to show you how to get the Black Myth Wukong Deluxe Edition for free, yes, completely free, on Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. Stick around, and I'll walk you through the exact steps. First, let's check out the official store page. Here's Black Myth Wukong, and as you can see, the digital deluxe edition is priced at $0 in my cart. How did I do it? I used a code from a site called FundsZap, and it's super easy to get one for yourself too. Let me show you how. Grab your smartphone or computer and open your browser. Type in FundsZap.com and press enter. This is what the site looks like. Simple and user-friendly. FundsZap offers exclusive coupons for all kinds of games, but today we're focused on Black Myth Wukong. Use the search bar at the top of the page and type in Black Myth Wukong. Once you find the page, click on it. Now scroll down until you see the Show Game Code button. But wait, the coupon code isn't visible yet. To unlock it, you need to complete 2 quick tasks. Don't worry, it's fast and totally free. Here's the cool part. The site provides a list of apps or offers with simple requirements, like reaching a certain level in a game. For example, I picked Travel Town, where I just needed to get to level 9, and Family Island, where I had to reach level 8. Your options might vary depending on your location, but just choose the easiest ones. Download the apps, complete the tasks, and you're good to go. For me, it took about 15 minutes to finish both. Once you've completed the tasks, head back to FundsZap.com and refresh the page. Now go back to the Black Myth Wukong coupon page and click Show Game Code again. If you've done everything correctly, your unique game code will appear on the screen. Copy this code and redeem it on your platform of choice: Steam, PlayStation, or Xbox. It's universal. As you can see, the code works perfectly. I've just pre-purchased the deluxe edition for $0. Don't wait too long. These coupons are limited, and they go fast. That's it. You're just a few clicks away from enjoying Black Myth Wukong without spending a dime. If this video helped you, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and drop a comment below to let me know if the code worked for you. Let's keep the gaming community winning. See you in the next video.